Hi writers. One of the things that's expected of 5th grade writers is to be able to maintain consistent verb tense in your writing. So what you're going to do today is you're going to watch videos about verb tense, and then you're going to do practice in no red ink. So you're going to work in Schoology, go to no red ink, come back. Schoology, no red ink, and then come back. So I want to show you what it's going to look like today for your work. First, I'd like for you to make sure, well, you're here, you're in Monday, and you're at Start Here. It says open your writing notebook to a page to take notes. So you can skip pages if you'd like, but get to a spot where you can take notes. It says as you watch each video, write about present tense, past tense, and future tense. So I went ahead and I wrote present tense in my notebook because that's the first piece of work that I'm going to do. Now that you have your notebook ready, you'll click Next. This first video, How Do You Become a Time Wizard, is an overview of all of the tenses. So this is an overview. If the video doesn't work right here, then you can click and watch it in YouTube. But I think most of you are going to be able to view the video right here. After you've watched about becoming a time wizard, then you're going to watch about present tense. This is where your notebook is going to come in handy, so that when you learn something about present tense, jot it down in your notebook. After you've watched this video, see how it says go to no red ink? So you'll go to no red ink. It says do the assignment present tense verbs. So I go to no red ink, I'm looking for present tense, present tense. So here's present tense, so I'm going to do that assignment. When you're finished with that assignment, go back to Schoology. It says come back here and click Next. So now in my journal it says what is past tense. So in my journal I'm going to write past tense. And I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to be ready to take notes. After I watch the video and take notes on past tense, you see how it says go to no red ink, do the assignment past tense verbs. So I go to no red ink, I'm looking for past tense. Here it is right here, and I do that assignment, go back to Schoology. After past tense, you'll do future tense. Once again, recording notes in your notebook. Then your notebook is there for when you need to do no red ink. Do you see here, it says after no red ink assignment is complete, you are finished with verbs. Oops, I think I spelled that wrong, I'll fix it. Type your draft, write in your notebook, or read. Okay, so if you have finished all 3 no red ink assignments, this lets you know what it is that you need to do. Of course, if you get stuck or if you need help, raise your hand so the adult can help you.